Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm a Mental Health and Wellbeing Officer from YEPS. Nearly 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice survey in 2023 and told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that matter to you. A big part of this was hearing your views around wellbeing and accessing advice. When asked about what challenging experiences young people had encountered, over 1,500 young people had encountered mental health issues and nearly 1,400 young people had experienced parental separation or divorce. However, over 3,000 participants said they felt positively about their future, 43% saying they felt happy about life. 65% of young people got their advice from family members and 56% get advice from their friends. When asked about what could make services better, 60% of participants felt knowing who to talk to would help improve services, and 31% felt more empathic staff would help. Your voice will be here to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice, you can click the link below or scan the QR code.